Introducing the impressive 2018 Volkswagen Golf 1.6 TDI 115B HIGHLINE. With a sleek grey exterior, this beauty has been meticulously maintained with 16.4352 km on the clock. Packed with features like Android Auto, cruise control, and lane departure warning, you'll enjoy every journey. Safety is a top priority with ABS, collision avoidance braking, and multiple airbags. You'll love the convenience of voice control, refrigerated storage, and the privacy of tinted windows. Rest assured knowing this vehicle has had a full multi-point health check, is fully serviced, and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out on this incredible deal. Contact us at blackwatermotors.ie today for more information.